In this video, we're going to show you how to attach the Rupes iBrid Nano Oribit connector and backing plate. The first part we have here is the Oribit connector and backing plate wrench. And for this demonstration, we're going to be using the 12mm Oribit connector and the 2-inch backing plate. Here we have the long neck size of the iBrid Nano. And to attach the Oribit connector, we're first going to press the spindle lock button and then screw in the 12mm Oribit connector by hand to the iBrid Nano. Now we're going to tighten it with the wrench. Now that we have the Oribit connector attached, we're going to attach the 2-inch backing plate. First, secure the wrench to lock the Oribit connector. Then screw in the backing plate. Got questions or comments? Leave a comment on this video or email us at support@detailedimage.com. Thanks for watching.